may result in years of litigation. To ultimately see it refined and amended, we can do that today and avoid years and years of years and years of charter violations and years of taxpayer-funded litigation.
And referring to the charter and fundamental rights, we see that in Bill 13 there is a provision, in fact, for students to exercise freedom of assembly in their schools under a name that reflects their reality and their difficulties in society.
And that's great, and nobody, at least not with the coalition, is denying that there is value to associating with people of like minds. With this particular section, the issue becomes problematic from a Catholic denominational rights point of view. And you'll see in the written submissions, the Catholic religion has certain teachings on sexuality, has certain teachings on marriage, and there are certain activities and certain behaviors which violate those beliefs. And what Bill 13 does, in effect, is it forces the Catholic school boards to act in violation and in contradiction to their religious beliefs and to their sincerely held religious beliefs. And what I'm saying is that's a violation of their freedom of religion, that's a violation of their freedom of conscience, and that's a violation of their denominational rights under the Constitution. And case law has shown, and the case law is referenced in the written submissions, that such violations usually do not stand, and the courts usually do not uphold legislation which has the effect of violating those types of rights. So what I'm proposing is, rather than have a specific group which may or may not violate the religious beliefs of the Catholic school board, mandate all groups, or take away certain specific groups that are mandating. The Ontario Catholic trustees put forward a document in January entitled Respective Differences, and the coalition does endorse that document. What that document essentially proposes is that rather than having a specific group with a specific name, Catholic schools institute clubs that respect the differences of individuals. Now, those differences can be on sexual grounds, or racial grounds, or ethnic grounds, or religious grounds. But what I'm suggesting here is that it's important that we recognize that Ontario is a very multicultural, multi-ethnic, multi-faith society, and the coalition is certainly in favor of promoting tolerance, but they're not in favor of compelling it. And I submit that that's what the particular section that we're discussing now does.
Just on David,